morning. I'm whitening my teeth. They're yellow. I need them to be white. But we're getting today started with Joan. Joan Day. I love Joan. She's the coolest vlogs ever. I hope my vlogs are as cool as hers someday. And I also hope I get to travel as much as she does. But right now, we're making money. We're making money. I just want to reassure you guys that there are things that are going to happen during Vlogmas, but they're not until later. On the 16th, we're decorating cookies, and then there'll be a New Year's party, of course, on New Year's, the 31st through the 1st, so that's going to be great. I'll do some hauls of maybe some Christmas gifts, except for the ones for my family and friends, of course. But yeah, it's just pretty slow at the moment because nothing's really happening. Stuff isn't going to happen until later in Vlogmas. So just be patient. That's why I'll keep the vlog short so you don't have to watch nothingness. But today I have to drop off my ballot because I need to vote. Everyone go vote. If you haven't voted yet, go vote. Vote, please. Thank you. You guys, these are my favorite burgers. I love BurgerFi so much. And I order my burgers like I would order a chicken sandwich with mayo, lettuce, pickles, because it's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. And this company uses cardboard boxes so you can recycle them. Quality, and they're delicious. Best burgers ever. Like, look at it. Look at it. Touchily, 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 ta. Touchily, 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 ta. Delicious. And they put their stamp on the burger, but I kind of crushed it. But it's delicious, and I love it. I love it. My burger haul, everybody. My burger haul. My burger haul.